Do it. Yeah, Max is the better burper. So is Lexi, but Lexi didn't want to do it. Well, I can't really find out how to make myself burp constantly. So he's doing it. Max? Max, burp. Not like that. The way you were doing before. And he ran away. Just like my cat. And no, he didn't. Well, bye.